Welcome, everyone, to our comprehensive guide on PVC skirting boards. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or just starting, this video is your one-stop destination for everything you need to know about PVC skirting, from its features and benefits to the different types available and the simple installation process. So let's dive right in. Before we delve into the specifics, let's understand what PVC skirting is all about. PVC skirting boards, also known as baseboards, are installed along the bottom edge of walls to provide protection and add aesthetic appeal to your living space. Now let's explore the features of PVC skirting that make it such a popular choice for homeowners. Durability. PVC skirting boards are known for their exceptional durability. Made from high-quality PVC material, these boards are resistant to scratches, dents, and moisture, ensuring they maintain their appearance for years to come. Flexibility. One of the key advantages of PVC skirting is its flexibility. Unlike traditional wooden skirting boards, PVC skirting can easily bend and mold to fit curved walls and uneven surfaces, making installation a breeze. Easy maintenance. Another standout feature of PVC skirting is its low maintenance requirement. A simple wipe down with a damp cloth is all it takes to keep your PVC skirting looking as good as new. Now, let's discuss the numerous benefits of incorporating PVC skirting into your home design. Affordability. PVC skirting boards are a cost-effective solution for homeowners looking to enhance the appearance of their interiors without breaking the bank. Moisture resistance. Thanks to its waterproof properties, PVC skirting is an excellent choice for areas prone to moisture, such as bathrooms, kitchens, and basements. Versatility. With a wide range of style, colors, and profiles available, PVC skirting offers unparalleled versatility to suit any interior design theme or aesthetic preference. Now, let's take a closer look at the different types of PVC skirting boards available on the market. Plain profile. The plain profile is a simple and understated option, featuring a smooth, straight design that seamlessly blends into any room. Chamfered profile. The chamfered profile features a beveled edge, adding a subtle decorative element to your walls while still maintaining a clean and modern look. Decorative profile. For those looking to make a statement, decorative PVC skirting boards are the perfect choice. With intricate patterns and designs, these boards add a touch of elegance and sophistication to any space. Finally, let's walk through the step-by-step installation process of PVC skirting boards. Preparation. Start by measuring the length of the walls where you'll be installing the skirting. Then, use a saw to cut the PVC skirting boards to the appropriate length, making sure to account for any corners or angles. Adhesive application. Apply a bead of construction adhesive along the back of the skirting board, ensuring even coverage. Installation. Press the skirting board firmly against the wall, starting from one end and working your way to the other. Use a spirit level to ensure the board is straight, adjusting as needed. Finishing touches. Finally, fill any gaps or nail holes with caulk or wood filler, and voila, your PVC skirting is installed and ready to impress. And there you have it, the ultimate guide to PVC skirting boards. With their durability, flexibility, and easy installation, PVC skirting boards are a practical and stylish addition to any home. Whether you're renovating your space or adding the finishing touches to a new build, PVC skirting is sure to enhance the look and functionality of your interior. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated for more content.